Next question. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, the long division. All right, we do the long division. So long division is like that. Probably you don't have many ideas about how to do long division. So
yeah,
that one here, 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 12 divided by x minus 1. Let's put x minus 1 here. Alright, now the inside the half, I've said half rectangle. So you see the highest power for that one is cubed, right?
yeah.
So how can we, that means x times, but the highest power for x minus 1 is just x. So x times what can equal 2x cubed?
X squared.
2x squared, isn't it?
2x squared, yeah.
Yeah, so we write 2x squared here. Why put 2x squared? Just might align with 9x squared. So there's a square term there.
Yep.
Okay, so you go back, 2x squared times x plus 1 equals what? Equals 2x cubed minus 2x squared, right?
Yeah.
So why we choose 2x squared? Because we want to eliminate the cube term. The cube term, right?
Yeah.
And you make difference between the two expressions. The x to the power 3 cancel out, right?
Yeah.
And that becomes 9 minus minus is minus minus 2. So you won't do a 9 plus minus 2. So it's 11x squared, right?
Okay, yeah. So you plus it,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then we just drop x here plus x. Okay. The next one we're gonna eliminate x squared term. So which is plus what? Next term.
Plus x, 9x.
11x, because x times what to cancel to equals 11x squared.
Alright, 11x, yeah.
So 11x. Then 11x times x plus 1 back will be 11x squared. Then minus 11x squared, right?
Yeah.
And make difference. That becomes positive 12x, right? Minus 12. The 12 is there.
Oh, I get the end, yep.
Yep. And the final one, we get a number should be plus 12. Because 12 times x minus 1 equals 12x minus 12, right?
Yeah.
Do you find the remainder is 0? So x minus 1 is a factor of the whole polynomial. And the quotient just here. 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 is the answer.
Oh, okay, so what do we get at the top? Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes you still have remainder, but this question you don't have a remainder.
Right, okay.
You got it?
Yeah, so, what cube that? So then that becomes, so essentially when I eliminate each of the terms. And then what about the x?
Which one?
This one here.
Oh, we don't do this x this term because first we want to eliminate x to the power cubed, the cube term. When we eliminate x to the power cubed, only the square term and the cube term involved. We'll do x later. So it's just x here, it drop here.
Oh, yep, okay. And then that's how you get the 12.
Yep.
Minus the 12, minus 12, yep.
Okay?
Okay.
Yep, then question B.
So what's the fully factorized? So we just factorize this.
Mm-hmm. remember question B is usually based on question A. So you might use the result for question A.
So then the common factor
So what does the long division mean? Means here 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 12 should equal x minus 1 times the quotient. Right?
okay,
Right? Make sense?
Yep.
The only one thing that we have to do is to factorize this again. Right?
Okay.
So hockey factors, we use cross method again. But the only difference here between what we did previously is the number before x squared is no longer 1. But same method, we factors 2 must be 1, 2, right?
Yeah.
And then factors 12, it could be 3 and 4. We put 3 here, 4 here, but it doesn't work because 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3 equals 10, doesn't equal 11. So we will try another way. We swap 4 here, 3 here. That should work. Because 2 times 4 plus 3 is 11, right?
Yeah.
So that makes equals x plus 4 times 2x plus 3.
Right.
That's the one fully factorized.
Okay, yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Alright. Then we solve the equation C. We found solve the equation for question C.
That equals 12.
Using the solution for B.
Okay. Should be x plus 4, 2x plus 3
Yep.
equals 12.
Not equals 12. No, it's not right.
Yes?
No. You see, the question is like here equals 0. Is it?
Yeah.
You take 12 to the left, so make that minus 12 equals 0, right?
Yeah.
So then you factorize the left hand side should equal the whole thing here. Okay, you just keep that in mind, the factorized form, and then I've start new page and read it for you.
Okay.
So 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus x equals 12. Actually, just 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0, right?
Equals 0, yeah.
But the left hand side can be factorized x minus 1. X plus 4 and 2x plus 3, okay. That equals 0, right?
Yeah.
What would be the solution for this? All the factors could be 0. So why, when we solve the equation, we factorize it first? Because all the factors can be 0. So that can be 0, that can be 0, that can be 0. So x equals 1, or -4, or negative 3 on 2.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Right? So 3 factors could be 0.
Right.
Then we found the corresponding x, 1, negative 4, negative 3 on 2. Make sense?
Yep.
Alright. Let's continue with question 12.